Good morning everyone. Welcome to another video. In this video we are going to brief about essay and I'll be presenting you one sample for the essay writing. So what is an essay and why do we write essays and how do we write essays? What are the components of essay? So the definition says that an essay is a composition made up of several paragraphs. Each of the paragraphs has a collection of sentences on a given topic. That means if you want to write something about a topic, particularly something like about the seasons, about your best friend, about your school, about your favorite book, about the favorite subject. So if you want to write something about that, you have to write in the form of an essay. So essay is a collection of paragraphs. What is a paragraph? Paragraph is a collection of sentences. Now we know the hierarchy that the words, when they combine, they give sentence. The sentences, when they combine, they give paragraphs. And when we have so many paragraphs, then we call it an essay. Okay. So essay is a combination of paragraph, all right, and it has three parts. Number one, introduction. Okay. Then we have the body of the essay, and then we have the conclusion of the essay. The most important thing about is the topic of the essay. That means the essay topic has to be very specific, that anybody who reads the topic gets to know what the essay is about. So in this video, I'm going to share with you one sample of essay that I have taken from it, and it's very easy for you to understand and to relate all of the concepts that we have shared here. Now here I have taken the topic summer season. Okay, this is very basic, so we can talk about this. When you have to write essay on a particular topic, you have to first give the pointers of that topic. For example, you don't have to straight away write all the lines in sentences and then make the paragraph. No, you just give pointers like we were doing in the article writing. We were doing in this picture composition. We were describing them into pointers. Similarly, I have taken the pointers here, like April and May, they are the May, they are the hot months, and that's the summer season. Then what else we have? Sun at its hottest and brightest. Then we have daytime, and then people like indoors and use fans, coolers and conditioners, air conditioners. Then they have cold water, cold drinks and ice cream. What else do we see? Umbrella and sunscreen to prevent the sunburns. Now I have given these pointers. Okay, after writing all the pointers, when you have been given an essay writing, you have to first write the pointers related to it. Okay, then you will frame sentences out of the pointers that you have written here. So these are the pointers that I have taken here, and just after this we are going to have one essay, a proper essay combining all the pointers into sentences. So now what you see that I have resolved all the pointers, made sentences, and here is the essay that I have written for you. April and May are the hot months of the year. This period is called the summer season. The sun is at its hottest and brightest during this time. People like to stay indoors and use fans, coolers or air conditioners. People like to have cold water, cold drinks and ice cream. They use umbrella and sunscreen to prevent sunburns. Alright, so you see here, there are many sentences in this, 2 paragraphs, alright, and it has a suitable topic. So now you see here, this is the introduction, then this is the intro, that means the topic, then you have the body, and then you have the conclusion. Okay, so this is how you're going to write. I'm going to enclose the PDF along with this. That PDF you have to write in your English language fair copy under the heading essay writing. I'll be giving certain topics to you, 1 or 2 topics in the class itself to write essay on, and then we will see who writes it good. That is all for today. Have a great day. Stay at home. Take care and God bless you.